What's going on, guys? Joel Robinson here, and in this video we are shooting 3 200M cakes from Sky Painter Fireworks. Three 200M cakes from Sky Painter Fireworks. I chose to shoot all these off together because we have Thunder, which is a 10-shot, Independence, which is a 10-shot, and Wild Wonders is a 12-shot. All of them are listed at 20 seconds in duration, so I figured let's go ahead and shoot them all off together. They also all have either brocade, I think 2 of these are brocade, yeah, some willows as well, so they should look pretty good just going one after another. Took the tops off just so you can see the difference in diameter from the 12-shotter on top and the 10-shotters